Based on the grand concept, the exterior design focuses on the vibrant and boldness to express the strong presence of SUVs. On the side view, the overview of the car looks sleek and sporty. The style connects from the headlight, carries to the side body, and ends at the tail light, giving a very vibrant look of this car. The roof design slopes down to the back and combined with the angle of the slanted rear window enhance a sportier look of this SUV. Altogether with the design, the highlight are front and rear view fender, which stand out from the body, create a strong and stable appearance. The rear outer door handle also blended with the window graphics, creating a personal feel like a two-door coupe. Here you are. This is the sketch. Do you agree with me that this sketch is totally get along with its concept, vibrant and boldness, express youthfulness, premium, and strong character of the SUV. The front appearance comes with RS exclusive mesh pattern and a widely extended front grille integrated with the thin, sharp, long, full LED headlight for a present modern expression. Moreover, this sequential turn light makes the front view of this SUV even look more attractive. The overview of the rear designs look wide and outstanding from the sharp and long taillight design. The taillights have the advanced distinctive dual LED lines which extend out of the car while stretching to the middle to emphasize the wideness of the car. Exterior design difference between RS and E variant are front grille mesh pattern, the dark chrome versus the silver chrome finishing, the aluminum body 16-inch, and the black roof garnish is exclusive only for the RS variant. For color, the RS have broader choice, including Ignite Red, single or two-tone, plus the brand new color called Stellar Diamond, which is the silver blue pigment with the mica pole. And the interior design concept is vibrant and sporty, aimed for three core values: personal, advanced, and solidness. Interior designs enhance a sporty character by using a red-black color combination, enhancing a personal comfort by high quality and soft touch material. We start with leather steering wheel, soft touch assist panel, door lining, and armrest, as you can see here. The solidness is emphasized to the front seat shape for support the body. All seats apply the black leather with fabric accent and raised stitching, express young and sporty image. And to add more sporty to the car, the stainless steel cup plate with RS logo is added at the front door side sill. Moreover, matched with the seat design, the center console is also decorated with the double raised stitch. On the right side, the BRV used 4.2-inch TFT mirror with stylish and advanced feature of welcome graphic animation to offer a premium experience which user can customize the information display, including the Honda sensing function. For the E-grade, we apply newly developed decoration color, which is the silver with the blue pigment inside. Apply for those parts shown here, matched with the blue accent on the fabric seat and the gray color roof lining. Size of the car is as you see here, with the length of 4,060 millimeters. It is compact for city drive. The ground clearance is 220 millimeters high, with the large tank space 380 liters. Follow our core value, worry-free. Meanwhile, it is also provide premium feeling according to sleek cabin proportion, but with the large cabin space. Next slide, let me tell more about front seat. From the high ground clearance and driving position setting, the driver can see ahead better with the shorter invisible lane. This giving a good visibility on the rough road. And we also provide the seat height adjuster as the standard feature, which is the must-have one for smaller people like me. Moreover, its compact size make it agile with minimum turning radius only 5 meters. All are the winning points for the driver to have confidence on any road condition. Next is the winning point for all passengers. Now if someone start thinking sleek design, small head clearance, the shorter wheelbase, smaller space for people. The answer is we do not compromise for both of that. Firstly, there are sufficient head clearance both front and especially the rear side, in spite of the slanted sporty roof design. Secondly, with the wider tandem and well-designed front seat shape and the floor, we can have very wide rear knee clearance and the leg room. This large premium cabin package is designed to ensure the comfort for everyone. And with 380-liter cargo space, you can put the suitcase for 5 people. It can also carry 2 golf bags, yours and your friends, the 2 road bikes for the couple holiday trip, and the rear seat can also split 60-40. We apply for the engine is 1.5 double overhead camshaft IVTEC engine, same as BRV, with the max power 121 PS. So it is the most powerful in the class. 5% torque increase at the early stage compared to former generation. Moreover, the quicker max torque for better fuel consumption. Next, our CVT is also common with BRV as well, with what called the G design shift. First, about step-up shift control. When you do the BOT full acceleration until the designated RPM near the red zone, the gear will step up shift, which must increase in engine RPM in step like shown in the above graph. That's the car acceleration. This can enhance not only acceleration but also the sporty feeling of the driver. On the other side, when you do the high braking, it has what called step-down shift. This will automatically result in engine brake and make the driver feel more confident and secure. Together with the 4% efficiency improved for better fuel economy as well. Next, the chassis. With the optimum wheelbase and tread, together with elaborate tuning of suspension, steering, brake, and tire, we have achieved the good maneuverability and stability of this car. When driving, I believe you can feel the fun driving of this car by the good steering wheel response, the linearity, the very natural motion of the car while accelerating, decelerating, and turning. Feel stable when sudden lane change and feel safe when you apply the brake, as well as the highway state stability and on-center feeling. We focus on fun driving, but also mind for the balance between with the rough road ride comfort in the left area of the chart. Until all criteria achieve our development target, we aim to satisfy our Indonesian customer. Next, NV performance. These parts are rarely be seen, but you can feel it. For body, many insulators are applied along with the spray foam, which being filled to the body pillar, together with the core structure at the lower side body. It can prevent not only noise, but also smell and dust. For engine, on the right side, these are 3 mounting parts in the blue text joined with the body are tuned and optimum the frequency and rigidity in order to reduce the engine vibration that transfer to the body. Meanwhile, the cover on the engine itself help reduce the engine sound radiation. As a result, we have got a superior NV performance, road noise on the rough road and highway, and can suppress the engine acceleration noise and vibration as our development target to satisfy our customer. Next, active safety, the Honda sensing. Same as our Honda cars, the system uses front wide view camera to accurately detect the object and assist the driver by controlling acceleration, steering, and brake. We have 6 functions as shown in the slides, especially the class-leading feature are LCAS and auto high beam. LCAS will help the driver keeping the car in the lane for a long highway drive, reduce their tiredness. Auto high beam will help ensure a good visibility by auto switching between low and high beam. Next, about passive safety. First, I would like to show you these 2 animations. This comparison want to remind general misunderstanding when you see the crash car. The better protective structure is the below one, which have strong cabin structure with good force or G control that help absorbing crash energy at the front side structure. This help reduce residual force that transfer to the driver in the cabin room, like the above one. For next video, we show the WRV test that we have internal involution, the front, the rear, and side crash safety. And because Honda's slogan is safety for everyone, we also consider pedestrian protection such as head and leg impact in our development as well. For safety feature, we provide airbag, pre-tensioner seat belt, ISOFIX, and also interior parts which are designed to take care of your head and body injury. The last but not least, match with our core value worry-free. We have remote engine start which can help turn on the air condition before you get into the hot car. With higher performance of air conditioning system, the cabin will cool down faster with only about half of time duration. And when you get out, this walk-away auto door lock can ensure your car always locked auto.